Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use PowerPoint. To do that, open the program and select a template or start with a blank slide. Then in here, add a new slides using the new slide button. Insert text, images, and other elements by selecting the appropriate option in the toolbar. So go to Insert, and you can see now the option that you can insert in this slide. Customize the appearance with fonts, colors, and layouts. To do that, go to your Home tab. Then in here, you can see the options of fonts, colors, and others. Use transitions between slides for a smooth presentation. Go to the Transitions tab, then choose a transition here that are available. You can also save your work regularly to avoid losing changes. To do that, just press the Ctrl plus S to save your file. Or you can go to your File tab, then click Save or Save As. Practice the slideshow and rehearse your presentation. To practice your slideshow, go to Slideshow tab, then play the From the Beginning or F5 button to start the show from the first slide. You can also choose from current slide, where you can jump right into the show at this slide and practice your presentations. PowerPoint allows users to create visually appealing slides with text, images, and other elements. Visual aids are effective in enhancing communication and understanding, as they can help illustrate complex concepts, data, or ideas. The use of visuals can make presentation more engaging and memorable, as people often retain information better when it's presented in a multimedia. So that's how to use PowerPoint. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.